First of all, heat a clay pot on the stove and now add in 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee into it. My grandmother used to make this recipe on the firewood stove, but as we do not have that facility now, we need to make it on the stove itself. Now add in 2 teaspoons of chopped cashews and 2 to 3 teaspoons of raisins into it and fry them for a minute. Now add in half cup of vermicelli Sewai into the pot. Put the flame to the lowest, continuously stir it, and roast the sevai or the vermicelli in the ghee for about 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see it has been roasted well. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of milk into it. Do take care that you must not increase the stove to the full, as it is not very well equipped. It may burn in the mud pot. Now continuously give it a mix and cook it on high flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes, when it is about to boil, add in 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder into it. Now stir it well and stir it occasionally and cook for about 5 to 6 minutes on low to medium flame until it starts to thicken. So here you can see after 5 to 6 minutes the vermicelli is cooked well. Now add in 4 teaspoons of sugar into it. You can even use in jaggery powder if you are making it on a healthier side. Now give it a good mix. Allow the sugar to melt and continuously cook on low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. So here you can see after cooking it continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes, our vermicelli clay pot dessert is just ready. Off the stove at this point, as it cools down, it gets thickened even more than this. So this delicious and very tasty clay pot vermicelli dessert is ready to be served. It tastes too good when it is more chilled in the refrigerator. Now top it with some dried khajur and few dry fruits, and this is just ready. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences and subscribe for more videos.